Amber and TV, and today we're gonna be naming all original 151 Pokemon by memory and what their sounds are.
This could be an adventure.
It's gonna be an adventure.
Hey, you're not 151. But it's okay, because you're cute.
You could be my friend anytime.
How you doing, Amber?
I'm good.
Who's this with you?
This is Sarah Engel. Queendom.
Oh, you know the name.
Yes.
I'm so surprised. I feel like nobody knows the name.
Oh, no. Sarah is literally a princess IRL, and I am so excited that she's going to be in this video today for Amber and TV.
Yay, I'm so excited to be here, but I feel like you're kind of an IRL princess too, so we're like IRL princess pals together.
Yes.
What are your favorite Pokemon?
Well, I have actually my 3 favorite Pokemon, believe it or not. I made three cosplays of them. Is Jigglypuff, and Pikachu.
No, that works really well, because I didn't know that.
Yes,
and I brought
these are my
Poopy.
3 favorite Pokemon. I am a first-gen girl. I've been playing the first-gen Pokemon since Pokemon Gold on Game Boy. And someone took it, and I was like, no! And then ever since. So now I'm like, whoa, all these are coming out, all different types.
There's too many now.
There are a lot. You can't
Sarah?
get it straight. So Jigglypuff is my favorite because, I like to sing like Jigglypuff, and if people fall asleep while she's singing, she gets mad and draws on their face with a Sharpie.
That's how you do.
Yes, that's what you
She's
do.
like,
Do people fall asleep on these
and she
things?
gets her magical marker, and that's a microphone, and draws on all their faces. She's so like my spirit Pokemon.
Oh,
Jiggly.
Mine too. I was not allowed to play video games except for Pokemon.
Oh.
So we played some Pokemon, the little like blue and red. I got blue and my sister got red, so we could trade, for the ones that were in there. And then we had silver and gold, and we had Pokemon Pinball, and that was the only video game.
Snap? Did you do the Snap?
built-in Rumble pack.
No, we did have the Rumble pack. Yes, we did have that, but we didn't have any other console except the Game Boy because we weren't allowed.
Oh my
I don't
gosh.
know why.
Remember, it
but-
didn't have light on it. So you would just kind of like go in
we had, so if we want to play in the car, we used to get the little like light
Yeah.
attachment thingy.
Those were cool. The cool
And-
kids had the attachment there.
I was not a cool kid.
I
but-
actually have it around.
What? I have it for you.
You know where it is?
Yes.
Hold up, hold on.
Eric.
Yeah, I'm out.
This is a really big jam session.
Jamming.
Yeah, and then
While
how
you're
the music
playing
would
it.
change when you rode the bicycle. We're gonna go this way.
No.
And then this way.
Are we going, Ash? Faster! That's gold.
We're gonna get your video demonetized.
I know.
Sarah, you want to tell Amber what we're doing today?
Ah! Okay, so you don't. This is.
Don't.
They're gonna find out in a minute why this is so appropriate. Today, Brandon is gonna show us Pokemon, and we have to make the Pokemon noises, just like you started doing downstairs.
Oh, no way! I've been doing that for years.
Well,
Like,
you're gonna be a pro at this.
the thing is, it brings so much joy to me to make their sounds. Because
I could tell.
that's the only thing they can say.
It's true.
They don't say much.
Can you imagine if all you could say was your name?
Yeah. Amber. 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 Amber.
Sarah. Sarah.
Sarah Happy.
Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. Thor.
Oh.
Ivysaur.
Oh.
Does he sound just bigger?
Ivysaur.
I don't know. They sound the same.
Ivysaur. He has a more deeper voice because he's bigger.
I was already
husky.
going as deep as I could with Bulbasaur.
Oh, shoot. I forget him.
Venusaur is just like a big.
Is that Bloomsaur? I'm
I
sorry.
can just make the mouth big.
I wasn't that good at like evolving my
ones.
Pokemon, so I never got that high.
Were you always like sad to make them evolve?
Yeah.
Charmander!
Charmander. Charmander.
Your Charmander's British.
There was. Charmeleon. I don't know what it sounds like.
Charmeleon.
He's like the angry teen. Charizard.
Charizard.
Squirtle. Squirtle.
Squirtle. He has a little New York accent. Squirtle.
Squirtle.
Turtle. I don't know.
War
He just
turtle.
sounds like
War turtle.
War
Why are they all on the East Coast?
I don't know. You gotta do the body too, I guess.
We're making it out.
Yeah, I know.
Metapod.
Metapod.
You gotta do the body too, apparently. Pardon.
Oh, Butterfree.
Butterfree.
Shoot. Butterfree. I knew it's a fairy. It's Butterfree, people.
Weedle.
I don't know what Weedle sounds like.
Weedle.
He's got the little nose. He's
It's
like
like
a
a
unicorn.
Kakuna. Kakuna.
Hakuna Matata.
I was hoping that was coming.
That's
The bee one. He was in the red game.
yes. Game.
Is that his name? The B1?
The B
The
one.
bee one.
B.
I can't believe I don't remember this right now. As soon as I see it, I'm gonna.
Zip. Zip.
Oh, it's bee drill.
A bee drill. That's Pidgeot. Pidgey. Pidgeot's an
I thought it was
Pidgey.
more like
Pidgey.
Ooh,
It's going down.
Pidgey me in the Pokemon Center. It's going
I gotta
down.
make sure you get to do the sound too.
I'm not doing a very good job of the sound.
No, you're helping me.
Oh.
Remind
I can help
myself.
remind you what
Good
their
job.
name is.
Rat-tat-tat. Rat-tat-tat. Tat-tat. Rat-tat-tat. Tat-tat. Rat-tat-tat. Tat-tat.
Are these accurate? Because you're so confident.
Yes, that. Rat-tat.
You just got the teeth.
Yeah.
He doesn't say his name. He just goes.
Spearow.
I don't know.
Spearow.
I don't know the name.
Probably
Spearow.
like. Yeah. What she said.
And it's fearful.
oh. Atkins. I know that.
I'm hissing like a cat.
Pikachu. Pikachu.
Oh, that was bad.
Pikachu, Thunderbolt!
Pikachu.
Oh, Raichu.
Oh, that was really good.
Raichu.
Sandshrew. I don't know what
Sandshrew?
Sandshrew sounds like.
Sandpiper.
The like 10-year-old me would
True.
like smack me across the face.
These
for
are the ones
forgetting
that
any of
people
these.
knew but didn't use them much.
Sand.
Sandtrow. Nidorino.
And then there's the queen.
Yes, the queen. Nita Queen.
Yes, we do. And she's here.
She's here. She's the queen.
Thank
Is
you
that
for
the
being
sound?
here today.
Yes. Nidoran.
Clefairy. Clefable.
Oh,
Vulpix. Vulpix.
Dang it.
9 tails. Oh, it's like tails.
Yes. Oh.
Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Jiggly.
I don't know.
Wigglytuff.
Oh, I like that.
Wigglytuff.
You gotta tuft your hair out.
They have a tough.
Go back.
Go back.
Oddish.
Blue. You gotta draw.
Bloom and Vile.
Vile blue.
Parasite.
I don't know. He just was a mushroom crab.
I forget his name.
Oh, but he's cute and he's the first one. We can't forget
Oh,
this.
gosh.
I
He's
know
the
what he
fla-
is.
I forgot.
No, it's okay.
People are gonna
It's
hate
okay. No, we know this. We know this.
Venomat.
Venonat.
Venomat.
Venomoth.
Venomoth. Diglett. Did you see the reimagined in real life Diglett?
They're kind of terrifying.
They're terrifying.
Dugtrio.
Trio. Meowth speaks English.
Yes, he does.
Team Rocket. Meowth. That's right.
That's right. They're Persian.
Persian.
Fine. Psyduck.
Gold duck. Oh my God. Minky. Monkey.
Chop.
Monkey.
Menchop.
Manchop. Muscle key.
Muscle key, that's right.
Muscle.
Poliwag.
Poliwhirl. He's got those little gloves like Mickey.
Poliwrath. Poliwrath?
Yeah.
Abra.
Does he talk or he just talks with his brain?
Kadabra.
Where's a spoon? I need my spoon.
Kadabra.
Alakazam!
Shazam. Man chop. Man chop.
Man chop.
Man chop. Hey. Macho. 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 Chop. Machamp.
Bell sprout. Bell sprout.
It's the angry one. The
Angry Bell. Tentacool. Graveler.
Graveler.
Okay. Meatball with hands. Another meatball with hands. Okay. This one's a. There you go.
Oh, Ponyta.
Rabadash.
only it's on fire.
Slow.
Magnemite.
Vegemite. Magneton. Magneton.
Oh my gosh, Farfetch. But I don't know what he sounds like.
He has that leak in his hand. Doo-doo-o. Doo-doo-o. He's like an emu. Truo. Do-truo. Seal. Seal. Seal.
Such a creative name.
Dugong. Grimer. Oh, Grimer. Because he's grimy. Mop.
Zelda.
Cloister. Oh, Ghastly.
Haunter.
Hunter.
Gengar.
Gengar is one of my favorites too. Honest. Hypno. Drowsy. Hypnotize. I will do anything you say.
Oh, it's like those little cats that are like.
Crabby.
He's crabby.
Sebastian.
Oh my gosh.
Voltorb.
Oh yeah.
Electrode.
He's like.
Looks like a gumball.
So that was execute because they're cute. And the other one execute people.
Executor.
Cubone Bone.
Sad story.
Marowak.
Be careful of the
Marowak.
bunny. Hitman Lee.
Him.
Lee.
But he goes like,
Wah!
yeah, it's him.
Boom.
She's a boxer man.
Lecton.
Oh. Coffee. Wheezing. Reinhorn.
You got it.
Reinhorn.
This. Oh, that one's right on. He's like a
on.
unicorn
Wow.
too.
He's a dino.
Chansey.
Oh yeah, that one.
Tangela. I have a lot in common.
Oh yeah. Oh. Tangela. Kangaskhan.
Horsey. Seedra.
Goldeen. Sea King.
Thank you, Sarah.
Yeah, that's actually what they say. They don't really say their name.
Mine.
I love him.
Mine.
Scyther. Jinx has like some nice.
I feel like you could
wig.
pull off Jinx really well.
Jinx. Sorry.
Electabuzz.
Excuse me.
Magmar.
Pincer, because he pinches. Pincer. Tortoise. Bull. Magikarp. I just poor Magikarp's always on the floor flopping like. Lapras, Loch Ness Monster.
Ditto. Vaporeon.
Or
Jolteon. What does he sound like?
They were just so cute. Not
He probably
Porygon.
just makes like
Porygon.
a noise. Omatard. Something.
It's not the Oma Day, so it must be the
Omanite?
Omanite.
Omastar.
Omastar.
He's got the little.
Because of the
Oh, Kabuto.
Kabuto.
The little cockroaches of the ancient times.
Exactly. When you chew.
Kabutops, which looks like a
Kabutops.
scyther, but he's actually
Yes.
a cockroach.
Wow.
No.
I know a real life Snorlax, and it's Eric. Articuno. Zap. Oh. Moltres. Oh, yes. Beautiful.
I know this. Dratino. Dratini.
Dratino.
No. They're a dragon.
Dragon.
Dragonair.
That's
He
Dragonite.
just looks kind of like he'd be friends with Barney.
Dragonite.
I'm hanging down the street.
He's
We're
like
a
Barney.
Dragonite family with a big
Hug and a kiss from me to you. I love Dragonite.
You love Mewtwo. He would talk with his
He has a
head.
really hard
He would
voice.
talk with his
Mew.
You look like a Mew or a Jigglypuff.
I think we did good job. It's just fun to do like our childhood Pokemon.
That was fun.
I'm surprised we did even the evolved ones too.
Well, we made up sounds.
I know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm just so excited that Sarah's here. And where can we find you?
Thank you. You can find me on YouTube if you just search for Sarah Ingle, or you can find me on Instagram. It's Sarah E. Ingle, because Sarah Ingle is taken.
Yes. Oh. Hashtag Queendom. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below who's your favorite Pokemon.
Who's that Pokemon?
Jigglypuff, puff, puff. Jigglypuff, puff. Hey,